about strings. String is nothing but a set of characters or a collection of characters, and it is enclosed within double quotes. For syntax for declaring a string is character, that is data type, and space, string name, and then size. Size is the number of characters we are used for string. Then syntax for initializing a string is data type, that is character, and the string name. String name we can give any type of name, that is user defined name, and here size. We can initialize two type of base for string. First one is enclosed within open and close brace, and another one is double quotes. For while declaring initializing open and close brace, we can initialize like this. First character enclosed within single quotes, comma specified, and second character is enclosed within single quotes, and so far up to n characters. Then one important thing we have to remind is, for getting the string we have to use %s, and for in scanf we should not use ampersand sign, and the last character in string always should be null. So for example, here character, string name, and size is 5. So the string is name. Here the name occupies the first location, and n occupies first location, and a occupies second location, m is third location, and e is fourth location, and default the last location is null. So we have to mention for five spaces. Then only the name occupies the all spaces. The next one is reading and printing string. For reading, we are using some unformatted input functions. For printing, reading, formatted input functions, and printing unformatted input the functions we are using. Here, scanf is the formatted input function, and getchar and gets all unformatted input functions. Printf is unformatted output function, and putchar and puts are unformatted output functions. Example for reading and printing is, here character is the data type and a is the string name. Scanf, the syntax for scanf is scanf, and the format string %s, and comma the string name. We should not use ampersand symbol here because it is a string, so we should not use ampersand sign. Then getchar is okay. Then the purpose of using scanf, getchar, and getsor. Scanf reads a single word or a single character. Then getchar is used to read only a single character and any type of alphanumeric characters, and gets is used for reading any alphanumeric character, and also it reads set of strings or continuous words. For that only we use gets. And the same way printf, putchar, and puts are used respectively. Then getchar is used for getting a single character. So char is data type and a is the string name. So we have to use like this, and gets are used for char is the data type and a is the string name. So we can use like this. So the same way printf for printing the same output. So we are using printf, putchar, and puts. Here, if we give hi is the input means we can get hi. So it will read hi. If suppose we give hi space csv means it will not read after the white space because scanf does not accept the white space. The next putchar is used for printing the only single character. Here we are giving a continuously b. It does not accept b because it reads only a single character. So it will print only a. Then puts is used for continuous hi space csv. Like this we can give input and output strings. The next, string operations. There are many types of string operations available. Few of the string operations are string copy, string compare, string concatenation, string length, string lower, string upper, and string reverse. The first one, string copy. String copy is used for copy the two strings. For example, string 1 equal to hi and string 2 equal to csv. Means we can copy one string to another string. The syntax for string copy is strcpy str1, str2. And what will happen is string 2 is copied to string 1. String 1 is high and string 2 CSE. Then string 2 is copied to string 1. Then output will be high. The next string compare function. String compare function is used to compare two strings. The same string 1 equal to high, string 2 equal to high means what will happen is string compare. It will compare single character. If the two strings are equal, it will return 0. If not, it will return ASCII value. Next, string concatenation. String concatenation is the same as string copy, and the difference is it will combine two strings. The high and CSE means it will print high CSE. Like this, the operation is performed. And string length. String length is used to return the length of string, that is the number of characters in the string. It will return the length. So S1 here, the S1 is high. Here the syntax for strlen, S1. Then the output will be 3 because 1, 2, 3. 3 characters, so it will print 3. The next string lower. By using string lower, strlwr of string 1, all the characters in string 1 will be converted to lowercase. If you use string upper, upr upper, S1 means it will convert all the lowercase letters into uppercase letters. Then string reverse. String reverse function is used to reverse the given string. For string 1 equal to something for string high. If you use string reverse function, str or the reverse of S1, so it will be printed IAH. The string is reversed. Like this, all the functions are operated in the strings. So the main thing we have to remind in a string is the scanf. In scanf we should use %s, and the ampersand sign we should not use, and the last character should be null. So when initializing 4 characters in the string, we have to give 5. Size is 5, because if we give size 4 means it will print only NAM, because first location 0, next is 1, 2, 3. Then the last location always should be null. So NAM1 will be printed. So we have to give 5. Then only NAME will be printed. Okay, thank you.